Automatic buy sell calls generator. In this chart, automatically it will generate calls like a signal. If it's a buy call, buy signal means green color candle will come. If it's a sell call, sell signal means red color candle will come. Entry, target, stop loss. You will get where to take entry and put the target. Through these entries, you can do manual trade as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trading also. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan details. Today it's a October 9th market, Wednesday market. In 1 minute of market open, 9:16 a.m. Buy call, so green color candle open. Like this, automatically it will generate the calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video. Like this, daily you need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls. Through these calls you can do intraday tradings. So the buy call came at buy at 25,176. So on daily basis we are uploading video on Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, and so many clients asked about Nifty also. So for that reason today we are uploading in Nifty 1 minute chart. Okay, in Nifty future 1 minute chart, the buy call came at buy at 25,176. First target is 239 and second target is 302. It's more than 100 point second target range. Like this, whenever the breakout happen, it will analyze the 1 minute candle. So whenever the breakout happen, it will immediately give the calls like a signal in this chart. After 10 o'clock, a bullish momentum, it started to move in upper side direction and break out the target. So it was like first 15 to 30 minutes, market was traded in flat momentum only. After that, market moving slowly to the bullish momentum and break out the target. In next few minutes, it break out the second target range also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.